Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike Cosmic Creations. There'll be a link in the video description that you can go to the website and see prices for these kits and others. So this is a Polaris Slingshot. These are the direct bolt-on rings. These are 8-row that are getting ready to ship out. These are built for a customer for his Slingshot. So let me, first of all, you see what they look like here. You've kind of seen them in some other videos, I know. But I'm going to turn this light off, and then I'm going to try to reach over and turn on. I'm going to do this one-handed here. So this is just set on auto mode by default. And so I just want you to see, one, how bright they are. And I can light up the whole shop. So they're ready to go. This is the final testing phase. Generally, I'll let these run for a couple of minutes just to make sure there's no issues. I've ran these already prior to this video, so we're good. But just wanted to show them off. These are getting ready to ship out. What's the day? Thursday, maybe tomorrow, if not Saturday. Just a lot of stuff going on. I got some other kits that I've got to test and box up and get out also. And it takes a little while to box all that stuff up, measure it, weigh it, do the shipping labels, notify the customers. It takes a while. What's important is to see though is how these work and how bright they are. So anyway, if you're looking for some wheel lights, underbody kit, eyebrow kit, interior, exterior, headrest, side body, hood, you name it, check out the website. If you don't see something that you want or that you've seen on somebody else's Slingshot, then just message me. All right, I can build it for you. I know I can build it. I need some information from you. But again, there'll be a link in the video description below that you can look at. Go over to the website, and appreciate all you guys' support. So thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.